In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to WPForms. Before you begin, make sure you have an active PayPal business account because that's required if you want to accept payments through your forms. If your account isn't set up as a business account yet, take care of that first since the connection won't work properly without it. Once that's ready, head into your WordPress dashboard and go to WPForms, then Settings. This is where WPForms manages your general configuration, including payment integrations. At the top of the page, click the Payments tab to open the area for payment provider connections. Now scroll down until you find the PayPal Commerce section. In that section, click the button labeled Connect with PayPal Commerce. This will open a new window so you can securely connect your PayPal account to WPForms. In the new window, enter your PayPal business email address, choose your country, and log in to your PayPal account. You'll then be asked to grant permission so WPForms can communicate with PayPal and process payments correctly. Review the permissions, then continue to approve the connection. After that, you'll be redirected back to WordPress. Once the connection is successful, you should see the status displayed as connected in production mode. That confirms your site is now linked to PayPal and ready for live payment processing. From here, you can move on to creating your payment form, or if you already have a form built, you can simply enable PayPal on that existing form. To do that, open the form in the WP Forms Builder. In the left-hand menu, go to Payments, then select PayPal Commerce. Inside these settings, check the box to enable PayPal Commerce payments for the form. This activates PayPal for that specific form rather than for your site in general. Next, choose your payment frequencies. This is where you decide how the payment should be handled, depending on the kind of form you're building. You can also customize additional features if needed. For example, you may want to use conditional logic, which lets PayPal payment options appear only when certain conditions are met. You can also enable shipping addresses if your form needs to collect delivery information. And if you'd prefer to test everything before going live, you can turn on sandbox or test mode to run test transactions safely without processing real payments. Once these settings are in place, your PayPal connection and form payment options are ready to go. Just save your form and continue with your normal publishing process. That's it for connecting PayPal to WP Forms.